Children, today in this module 2 we will discuss few problems of exercise 14.3 based on line symmetry and rotational symmetry. So let us do question number 2. Draw wherever possible a rough sketch of first a triangle with both line and rotational symmetries of order more than 1. So this is the equilateral triangle which is having 3 line of symmetry. This is equilateral triangle. One line, this is first line of symmetry, this is second line of symmetry, and this one is the third line of symmetry. And rotational symmetry of order 3 also. So equilateral triangle have 3 line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 3. So we can see a rotational symmetry as we had discussed that this is the axis of rotation and angle of rotation is 120 degree. This figure will be rotated, so we will get this one figure. Again angle of rotation 120 degree, we will rotate from here, we will get finally this one figure. So we can see here all the 3 figures are same. So equilateral triangle have rotational symmetry of order 3. Now let us see second part. A triangle with only line symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So this is the isosceles triangle which is having one line of symmetry. This is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. This is unequal side of 4 centimeter. So one line of symmetry is here in isosceles triangle. But in isosceles triangle there will be one rotational symmetry, and that is of order 1, because this shape only we will get once we will rotate from this axis at the angle of 360 degree. Okay, now third part, let us see the third part. A quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line symmetry. So that quadrilateral is parallelogram which is having no line symmetry, but it has rotational symmetry of order more than 1, that is rotational symmetry of order 2. So here we can say rotational symmetry, this parallelogram where point P is there on this vertex P. So we will rotate 2 times this figure at 180 degree, so we will get the same shape. So first time I have rotated this figure at 180 degree, this P point will come on this vertex, and again we are rotating this figure at 180 degree, this P point will go on this, that is here. So we can see here in the first and second both shape is same as this one. So parallelogram gives rotational symmetry of order 2. Now fourth one, a quadrilateral with line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So that quadrilateral is kite. Kite is also a quadrilateral. So here we can see this is the kite, this one is the kite, and this is the line symmetry. This is line symmetry. A kite has only one line symmetry, and it has also rotational symmetry of order 1 only, and we will get the same kite once we will rotate it by 360 degree. We will rotate it by 360 degree, means one complete revolution. So children, these are discussion about exercise 14.3, and rest of the question you will do on the basis of this. Thank you very much.